Topography is the study of the shapes and features of the Earth's surface. It includes the examination of natural formations like mountains, valleys, and rivers, as well as man-made structures such as roads, bridges, and buildings. Understanding topography is essential for various fields, including geography, geology, and urban planning. Let's dive into the fascinating world of topography and discover why it's so important. One of the key elements of topography is elevation. Elevation refers to the height of a point on the Earth's surface above sea level. Maps that show elevation use contour lines to represent different heights. These lines connect points of equal elevation, creating a visual representation of the terrain. The closer the contour lines are to each other, the steeper the terrain. Topographic maps are an essential tool for hikers, engineers, and scientists. They provide detailed information about the terrain, helping people navigate and plan their activities. For example, hikers use topographic maps to choose routes that match their skill level and to avoid dangerous areas. Engineers use these maps to design infrastructure projects, ensuring that buildings and roads are constructed on stable ground. One of the most famous topographic features is Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth. Rising 8,848 meters, 29,029 feet, above sea level, Everest has been a magnet for climbers from all over the world. Did you know that the height of Mount Everest is still increasing? The tectonic plates beneath it are slowly pushing it upward by about 4 millimeters, 16 inches each year. Topography also plays a crucial role in climate and weather patterns. Mountain ranges can influence the distribution of precipitation by acting as barriers to prevailing winds. When moist air rises over a mountain range, it cools and condenses, forming clouds and precipitation. This process, known as orographic lift, is why one side of a mountain range can be lush and green while the other side is arid and dry. Valleys, another key topographic feature, are formed by the erosion of land by rivers and glaciers. The Grand Canyon in the United States is a spectacular example of river erosion. Over millions of years, the Colorado River has carved a deep, expansive canyon, revealing layers of rock that tell the geological history of the region. Fun fact, the Grand Canyon is so vast that it can be seen from space. Topography is also vital for agriculture. Farmers need to understand the lay of the land to make informed decisions about planting and irrigation. Terracing, a farming method used on steep slopes, helps prevent soil erosion and allows crops to grow more effectively. This technique has been used for thousands of years in regions such as the Andes Mountains in South America and the rice terraces of Southeast Asia. In urban planning, topography influences the design and development of cities. Planners must consider the terrain when deciding where to build roads, bridges, and buildings. For instance, cities located in floodplains need to implement flood control measures to protect residents and infrastructure. San Francisco, known for its steep hills, has unique street layouts and transportation systems designed to accommodate its challenging topography. Modern technology has revolutionized the study of topography. Satellite imagery, GPS, and remote sensing allow scientists to create detailed digital elevation models, DEMs, of the Earth's surface. These tools provide precise measurements and help in monitoring changes in the landscape over time. For example, scientists can track the movement of glaciers and study the impacts of climate change on different regions. Topographic studies are not limited to Earth. Planetary scientists use similar techniques to map the surfaces of other planets and moons in our solar system. The topography of Mars, for example, reveals ancient river valleys, vast volcanoes, and the largest canyon in the solar system, Valles Marineris, which is over 4,000 kilometers, 2,500 miles, long and up to 7 kilometers, 3 miles deep. These maps help scientists understand the geological history and potential habitability of other worlds. Let's explore some more fascinating facts about topography. The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the world's oceans, plunges to a depth of about 11,000 meters, 36,000 feet. This trench is deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Interestingly, the pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. In addition to natural features, topography also includes human-made structures. The Great Wall of China, for example, stretches over 21,000 kilometers, 13,000 miles, across diverse terrains, including mountains, deserts, and plains. This incredible feat of engineering is a testament to the ability of humans to adapt to and modify their environment. Topography affects our daily lives in more ways than we might realize. From the layout of our cities to the climate patterns we experience, the shape of the land influences numerous aspects of our existence. By studying topography, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complex and dynamic planet we call home. In conclusion, topography is a fascinating field that helps us understand the physical features of the Earth's surface. It has practical applications in navigation, agriculture, urban planning, and environmental conservation. By exploring the diverse landscapes of our planet, we can better appreciate the beauty and complexity of the world around us. Next time you look at a map or hike up a mountain, think about the topographic features that shape our world. Topography not only tells the story of our planet's past, but also guides us in planning for a sustainable future.